Maybe. Might have one for the scales. I've been skunked all day. Just post-storm. Now we got this guy. Man, he is churning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no, I've got my fin up. Okay. Good. Come on, bud. I want to see you. Uh-oh. Man, he is a good fight. Come on. Oh, come on, this guy. Come on, buddy. He is just pinwheeling like a tuna. Dude. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. At least I got to see you. Thank you so much. I don't care that I didn't hold you. Damn. I've had a few good fish today, and I've lost every one. This is another one on a different lure. He's gonna jump. Oh, there he went. Dang it. Every one of them today. Not a bad fish. At least I'm getting some shots, but dang. This may be my last chance of the day. I've had 5. I've lost 5 good bass today. 3 really good bass today. 3 that probably would have broken the 3-pound. Oh, dude, they are all like this, though. They all want to shake it. That's okay. You get me wet. Just don't shake the lure, dude. Yeah, run. Do that kind of stuff. Just don't shake the lure. Okay? Oh, yeah, he's still not ready. Ooh, he's going to jump. Don't do it. I got you. All right. He's one of the smallest of the day, but at least I landed him. Thank you, brother. Little decent one. Decent little guy. All right. Thank you, Mr. Bass. Oh, see you, buddy. I think I'm on a decent one. He's trying to get fouled up. I had one other one today. Oh yeah, he's not bad. That was a good cannonball. Thank you for letting me see you. I'm probably not going to keep you on, I'm sure. Alright, yeah. He's not bad. Oh, alright. Oh, he's going to jump. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, he's not hooked well. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Not hooked well at all. He might go too. But you know what they say, mites grow on a chicken's behind. All right. But yeah, pretty big old mouth. All right. He's a good one. Thank you, buddy. Solid evening time crappie. Pretty little fella. Didn't expect him at all. Alright. See you, buddy. Alright, another good one. He's got me wrapped up in my own line, though. So I'm just being real delicate with him. No. There we go. Alright. Now I should be able to just go sort of around. Oh, yeah, it's wrapped pretty good. I'm going to have to get him unhooked first. I mean, he'd go another 2-pounder. About, maybe. Maybe 2. Probably not. Thank you, buddy. Man, I've had to play this guy for a while. I'm hoping I can land him. It's a really pretty crappie. Just lit up. Oh, come on. He's not my biggest crappie. He's just beautiful. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, not a bad one. He's kind of lost his color because I fought him for a while. He came up just tuxedoed. What a pretty one, though. Just drifting that jig like I do. Every once in a while, it gets me a good fish like that. A lot of times it just sits there doing nothing, but it's there. Pictured here is the most beautiful crappie I have ever caught. I'm telling you, it's that bug, man. That little bitsy bug or whatever it's called. Strike King. And the fellas down the street, as I like to call them. Your little bitsy bug is really good, especially in the swim jig. Look at her. Whoa! Alright. Yeah, I know you're not ready. She's feisty. Nope, nope. Got her. Woo, yeah. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Well, I really want to put you on the scale, girl. I really do. Because you're probably 4. Do I want to scale her? You know what? I'm burned right now. I don't feel like I've earned it. So I'm going to have to wonder. But I'm going to call her 3, even though she's bigger. What? Oh, no, she's close to 3, easy. She's got some weight on her. You'd be shocked, though, man. That one that weighed out at 4 pounds, 10 ounces before it stole my lip grips was not it was a long fish, but it was not a fat fish at all. Could be my scale sucks. Maybe it's broken. I don't know. Strike King, you deserve this. So it's the Bitsy Bug 1/4 ounce mini jig. It comes with 3 of the little rage tails. As you can see, I've put lures in there as well. Got a couple of colors, but this color in particular, this black blue flake, is very, very good. Hooked up several, haven't landed them all, but I think it's the brush guard on the hook. I'm on. It's a windy day on one of our bigger neighborhood lakes. I haven't seen what I got. I'm throwing a spoon, which is not super usual for me. Oh, catfish, of course. Catfish on a spoon. Come on, dude. You're gonna have to calm down, Mr. Channel Cat. You're almost there, dude. There. There. Thank you, buddy. Little did I know, there was a major storm brewing very, very close to us. The radar that I have on my phone did not go off until 1 mile within our radius. And we started pedaling away. I dropped all my rods down. But as you can see, this is what I got. I turned on the camera and the rain kept turning the camera off in the middle of this storm. I may get royally screwed. Ooh, here in a second. And that's all I have. Once the camera turned off a couple of times, I hit the power button and just started focusing on getting to shore. I felt horrible at the end of all of this because I put somebody else's life in danger. This storm literally brewed up right beside us. Oh, he almost. Yeah, there we go. Not a bad one. He's maybe 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, nothing giant. Oh, excuse me, buddy. There we go. All right, he's done. Thank you, friend. See ya. I don't think he's a giant, but he is making some splashes. He's fighting like a catfish, dude. Come back. That little thing from Academy. Whoa. it's like a jig, but a little longer, and all chartreuse and really good, cool looking. Come on, there we go. Oh yeah, he's got sores and stuff. All right, see you, buddy. Thank you. This guy deserves some love, man. I didn't have time to turn the camera on, but he has been giving me a sleigh ride. This guy has been towing me. My beauty. Big fella. Come on. There. Not bad. All right. Yeah. Probably 2.5. Not bad. There we go. Beauty miss. Big ol' mouth. All right. So you go. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Woo! Uh-oh. Nice. I'm bite fishing. Something happened to my voice this week and it's been all trashy. And here we are back at part 1. It's been a crazy year on this kayak, and you can see I do spend quite a bit of time on it. I'm lucky to live where I live and be able to do this. I also love traveling around, so pretty soon you'll see what I did during the spring, and it was quite a time as well. I started up because I think I found a school, but here's a crappie. The amount of poachers we get, I found them, I think. Here's another decent specimen. There we go. A little crappie. Thank you. A little decent one. All right, see you, buddy. And another. There we go. All right, buddy. We're not gonna be ceremonious. See you, bud. Thank you. I got this guy. They're still around. Ooh, I gotta move. Yeah, pretty little guy. I've got a big bass on. Early morning. Oh, he's going. Yeah, go ahead, take the drag, that's good. Pardon me. Oh, this has got me. He's got me good. Worm. That goofy colored worm. So you've got one. I think something about the direction you toss it so they can see it, man. If they're in the glare of the sun, they're not going to take it. That's why I turned around and immediately it switched. All right. Pardon the glare. I'm letting this man do what he wants, or woman, this lady do what she wants. This is a big bass. Oh, it is shallow here, man. I'm digging my fins. Oh, yeah, no. Don't jump, please. Don't jump, please. Don't jump, beauty. Don't jump. Oh, she is hooked in the nose. No, don't do it. Don't do it. I got her. Oh, that's a good bass, dude. Not a bad one. All right. I got to get her unhooked. All right, come on, lady. Get in there, man. That point. There. Okay, lure's out. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. I kind of want to get... I don't think I'm going to get a weight on this one, sadly. Oh, she's a beauty. Maybe I can. I'm so gun shy about weighing them now. Oh, there you go. Do what? Yeah, she's got to be 3 or 4. I always want to get a 5. I like a 5, but that made my entire day right there. What happened to this thing? All right, well, I'm not weighing her. It's a sign. It's a sign. I can't even get the hook out of the scale. I have one hand, so I'm just gonna get an iPhone picture, and that's that. Okay, there you go, lady. All right, off you go. See you, lady. Thank you. Yeah, something's wrong with it. It's all rusted up. Oh man, I'll bet the rain got it. Oh, it works. Ooh, second bass of the day if I can land him. I think I'm gonna get him though. Yeah, got him. Pretty guy. Pretty guy. Good bass. Good bass. All right. Thank you, buddy. Out, and it actually worked. Whoa. That's got to be a cat. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want him to get in my fin. So I've got to let him slack for a minute. There he goes. Oh, my Lord. What a fight. Oh, it's a bass, but he's hooked weird. I don't know what to do here. There we go. Well, my rod is all messed up too. Hold on. There. Another good. Another real good bass. Real good bass. There we go. Yeah. A real beauty. A real beauty of a bass. Okie doke. Okay. Alright, there you go. Let's let the beauty go. There she goes. Thank you. Whew. Okay, that is how I'm calling it, because I am shaky and in need of food badly. It's been 5.5, or just right at 5 hours. So, she left me a scale on there. We'll call it at that. Thank you. I've got 9 seconds to say something right here, so why did I waste time saying that I've got 9 seconds to say something right here?